Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at NumberLink from Sunbeam Wireless. This allows us to link a smart device like this one with a dumb phone using the same number. This is a game changer in my opinion because it allows people who have regular jobs to be able to switch between a smart device and a dumb phone without having to lose all of the text threads and messages that you have in between those two devices. So let's say that you go to work and you need certain smart features. You take your smartphone with you, but whenever you come back, you use the dumb phone. So let's first get started with how it works. So essentially, it is a service. It is an added service. It costs $4.50 if you only get the NumberLink service, or it costs $6.50 a year. They also have yearly discounts if you get the bundle services, which allows you to get voice to text and premium weather and directions on the Sunbeam device. Essentially, what it's doing is rerouting all of your messages through a server from the phone, from the dumb phone, in this case, this flip phone, to the smart device. You install a compatible application called NumberLink, and now you have access to all of your call logs and also your messages from the dumb phone into the smart device. Again, this works perfect for people who may have a business and they may need to have a second phone number with them throughout the day. But whenever they get home, they are not going to be bothered, and instead they're going to be able to use their dumb phone and not have many distractions. So now let's take a look at how it works. Whenever you go to the messaging application, everything is baked in. So you have to set it up and you have to, of course, purchase the subscription service. Again, not a fan of subscriptions, but I think this one has a lot of utility and a lot of quality of life improvements that I think it's worth it. So you go to the NumberLink host app, you set it up, and it will tell you right there whether it is connected or not, whether your device is the primary device, and whether you want to do call forwarding. So, of course, you are able to make sure that the service works with Wi-Fi, but if you, let's say that you have a secondary phone number here, you're also going to be able to call forward in this specific instance. Once you have set it up on the NumberLink host, now all of your messages and your call log is automatically replicated on the NumberLink app. So here we have, for example, we have a text message, and you are going to be able to see right there, here we have Sunbeam Wireless NumberLink. You're going to be able to get your text messages, and you will be able to see all of the message history as well on the NumberLink device. So, hi, hello, I replied. This is a NumberLink test that I got from myself. So that way you're going to be able to see it also on the NumberLink device. So on the regular device that is the host, you'll be able to see the same information. Hi, hello, this is a NumberLink test. So this is excellent because whenever you're replying, so here we're going to start another hello to my test phone number. You'll be able to see it here, and in just a second, you'll also get the history into the device that it is linked with. This is an excellent service because now I'm going to be able to take my smart device with me, or a laptop, or a tablet, or a computer without having many issues, and using it wherever I am, up to 6 devices. So you can connect different devices, and let's say that you forget your flip phone at home. Now you don't have to be panicked because you don't have the communication. You just log into the NumberLink service with your phone number and the password that you set up, and there are no issues whatsoever there. I also want to show you the NumberLink desktop client, and it is quite clean, very easy to use, and you have also the same information. So as you see here, we have hello, this is a test, and again, I replied hello. And whenever you want to type, you can do the same thing. And we're going to also be able to see how that replicates. This is from the desktop. I'm able to send that. And now we're going to see if it also shows up on our device, on our other synced devices. And there it is. This is from the desktop. And if I open the device and go to messages and also the same text thread, it also sent it right there. This is from the desktop. All of this is secure. It has 2-factor authentication. I hope that they'll be able to elevate the security with something like a YubiKey or another extra layer of things. But so far, this is a big positive for the Dumbphone community. NumberLink is going to be a game changer. They also have created a NumberLink phone app that replaces the dialer, but I do not think that I can make a phone call just via Wi-Fi on this device from the same number as the NumberLink device. So that is maybe advanced functionality that they're going to be doing in the future. Another thing that I wanted to remark is that you do not need Google Play services for this application to work. You're able to successfully install it on the Google devices, like right here I have the site phone. And again, you'll be able to see all of the information without any issues as long as you sign in with the same phone number and password that you created and you have the host device active. I have tested when the phone is turned off, some of this functionality is a little bit more wonky and not everything delivers automatically. So you need the device to be turned on for all of this functionality to be accessible and available. I have also showcased that there are other premium features, like I said, and in this case, for example, whenever you purchase the 650, not only the 450, you have access to voice to text, which is extremely accurate, and you're going to be able to see right there as we are testing. So you have voice to text for the premium, and you also get radar for the weather. So if you go to the weather application, as we will see right here, you not only get your current, and you get hourly, daily, and radar for your location. So these are some added benefits that you get when you subscribe to their premium subscription. But this is a game changer for the community because now you can have two devices with the same phone number, also desktop texting, quality of life improvements, and a lot of other advanced features on the Sunbeam F1 platform. You do need a device that has calls and text for this to work. So some of the Sunbeam devices that do not have call and text, they are not compatible with the NumberLink service. Hopefully in the future, when they expand functionality, those devices will also be able to work without any issues. So if you're looking for a solution between a dumb phone and a smartphone to keep the same number for same communication, this is the best solution out there in the market. It is irrespective of carriers. As long as the Sunbeam F1 works with that carrier, it'll be able to work this service and connect all of your communications. I'm very, very excited about this development because it allows a lot of business owners and people who may need a smartphone for whatever reason during the day, but they don't want to be distracted during the weekend and during the evening, or vice versa, whichever use case that you want to use. Anyways, make sure to check it out. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments below because I'll be interacting with you guys. This is one of my favorite things, and I am very happy that they have released this. I'll be using it now and not being able to miss those conversations, being able to text from my computer, are quality of life improvements that I have been waiting on for a long time. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Really excited about this service and what it means to our community.